Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years. And I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go to that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now. Hey traders, John Howell here. Do or die? That's the question on the lips of this guy anyway, and maybe for the millions and millions of people who are watching the gold and silver market, and also the mining stocks. It's a bit of a do or die situation, and I'm going to be really focusing on when it comes to that, when it comes to gold as well too. So that's what I want to talk about in today's session. Firstly, guys, I want to say a big congratulations to some of my private clients. We actually got a real short-term trade option, and it was just a really beautiful trade. SWBI. We actually had an entry signal right here. Let me actually bring up the candlestick chart for a minute. There we go. Right, so we had an entry signal for our system last week on this breakaway bar, and the option we actually in last week, and then we got out today for 140% return. So I just want to say a big congratulations to a lot of my private clients, or those private clients who actually did see it and did actually place a trade and did actually get into it. I want to say big congratulations to my private clients. Well done for being patient and waiting for the beautiful setups like that. And again, that actually, for me personally, it actually gave me almost 140% return. So I want a big shout out to a lot of my private clients. Well done, guys. I'm so proud of you. Keep rocking on. And for you guys, obviously for you YouTube guys, make sure you have some sort of a system, you know what I mean? Make sure you have some sort of approach, and you know what to look for, and don't just be focused on silver and gold, right? There's all these hundreds and thousands of stocks out there that can produce amazing patterns, just like SWBI did for us. It was a setup that just screamed at us last week, and we got into it, and a beautiful almost 140% return in like one day. Like, who? That'll do, pig, for me. I got out of that one real quick. Anyway, so let's have a look at let's actually go back to a blank chart here for a minute. And let's go have a look at gold. Because it's a bit of a do or die situation right now with gold. Because right now we're at a level where it's getting very oversold. Now, when I say oversold, this is what I mean, right? Let me actually bring up some indicators. Look at these indicators. Look at them. All right. Now, when I say oversold, I mean these two indicators that I like to use to see if we get overbought and oversold and all that down home country goodness. Look where we are right now. We are getting massively right here. Look what the stochastic is, and look what the RSI is, right? So we're getting into a massive oversold level. And the last time, or the last few times that we have gotten both the RSI this low and also the stochastics this low was right back here, right? It was actually that point there and that point there. And as you can see, we actually went for a run, didn't we? So the question is, are we about to do the exact same thing? Are we about to see a turning point? Now, if we do see that turning point, if we start to see, the da like this, like that, in gold, and we do start to pick up, which I personally believe we are, guys. Look what happened last year. Last year, was it last year? Yeah, last year we had the exact same flush down here, big flush down. Look at the stochastics, and the RSI almost got down there, and then way we go. Way we go. So if we can get that, where we start to get this happening and this happening through here as well too, and we start to and we start to break past this sort of 1900 level, if we can get that there's going to be a significant support or high low. And then if we can get that, guys, we get this pattern, oh my goodness, it is off to the races. Do or die right now. But do or die, but we are looking at the markets and we're seeing, you know what, this actually could be a real good turning point. And I'm telling you right now, guys, it is on like Donkey Kong. If we can get that pattern that I just formed out to you just then, which is, you know, let's just do this here. Wasn't that one there? I'm just using, let me go, the pen. There we go. All right, cool. Right, so which is this one here, right? Break up up there. If we can get that, and obviously forget the stochastics RSI, but if we do get that with the pattern, guys, oh my goodness, this here would probably be a trigger for me to then say, you know what, this downward phase that we've been for quite some time is now picking back up, and we're starting to see this. And now we're getting close to 2000s. That's probably going to be then the last time we see 2000, because we are on our way to 3000, 4000, 5000. I've actually got a target, you know, the cup and handle pattern. You know, the cup and handle pattern. I've been focusing on the big cup and handle pattern for quite some time. Then bring up the GOD. Let's actually just go back to a normal chart through here for a minute. Let's go back to the monthly charts. All right. Now, what I just did there, guys, is I went back to GOD because I can get a lot more data on my screen. And then I brought it back to monthly charts to show you the cup and handle pattern, which we are still in the handle right now. Look at it. Look. We're still in the handle, right? But the projection for the handle is where? Right up here. Up here. So that's the projection for the handle. If I use gold here as an example, and that's that point through there, you know, and yeah, and then we have this point down to here, so that this here would be the cup. We're still in this some sort of handle formation here right now, as you can see. Beautiful handle, beautiful handle formation. So we're still in this handle formation, and if we can start to break above this 2000s, and especially if we can start to break above these highs up here, then we do the little projection pattern all the way from there to there, and then we pull that down from there to there. All right, so you got the ultimate high point and also ultimate low point, and then we project that up like so, and then we move this down like so, and then we actually have, oh, look at that there, 2,800, but it's probably going to overshoot, and then again, round number. Good old round number 3,000. I believe we're likely to get to that. So there we go, guys. That's what I'm seeing right now when it comes to the good old gold. This monthly charts, again, still holding. But if we can get something like this happening over the next, say, 2, 3, 4 months, like that there, guys, it is just on like Donkey Kong. We can get this action happening. Donkey Kong is coming to town, and I'm definitely gonna go see him. All right, I'm just gonna be on his back. I'm gonna piggyback him. All right, he might not. Hopefully, he doesn't realize I'm there, but I'm just gonna piggyback him as he runs towards 3,000. Then I'm gonna piggyback him. But that's what I'm seeing there, guys. And again, if I bring up the weekly charts, this is the weekly chart. This is what the weekly chart looks like. So if we can hold here on this weekly chart, this is that low level through there. And we can hold here, and we can start to develop some sort of a higher low where we can start to see something like this and break up. Oh my goodness, guys. We're probably going to do that, and it's probably going to, rocket ship to the upside. Looking at silver as well too. Silver has not really doing too much. Actually, let's bring up this level here. There we go. So this is silver here right now. Silver's still holding here strongly. This is actually... Silver's also a bit of a do or die situation. Look at this here. We're getting very, very overbought here as well too. And look at the last time. When was the last time we actually had both the stochastics and the RSI in the overbought territory? So we have right here. So that was there and that was there. And we had a little bit of a turning point. And we definitely had it here, didn't we? On that big flush down. Look at that there. What a beautiful buy point that is. So we're actually getting to these oversold levels, but the difference is now is we're making these lows, high lows. This could be some sort of a high low. If this is a high low, guys, and we start to see something like this again on silver, and then we start to break out. Oh my goodness, guys, it's on like Donkey Kong, right? Because guys, look at this here, right? Look at this. what do we have here? We have, oh, there you go, right? There you go. We have this good, strong resistance level for quite some time, and we're getting a bit of a pullback here. If we can get a little bit of a sideways movement, a breakaway, that's exactly what my SWBI trader did just recently. Let me actually show you this here, right? So let me just bring off the indicators now. And you can see, look there, see, bit of a long sort of sideways phase, bit of a pullback. When we get a bit of a breakaway, that'd be quite nice. SWBI, look at this here. Same sort of thing, right? We had a bit of a sideways phase. We actually had a bit of a squeezing up as well too. Bit of a pullback, just like silver's doing right now. So if we get something like this, let's go back to silver. Where is silver? Look at this here, right? Very, very, very similar. A long sideways phase, and we're squeezing up, and we'll get a bit of a pullback. If we can start to get a bit of a nice move up and a breakaway, just like my SWBI trade, right? This one here is obviously a lot more sort of squeezing up in a triangle, and then a big breakaway, and then as you can see, very, very nice move straight away afterwards. So guys, that's what's happening when it comes to silver as well too. We are getting very oversold right now on this pullback, and that actually may be an indication we're getting ready for a turning point when it comes to gold and silver. So if we do start to see these patterns, guys, hold on, because I'll tell you what, Donkey Kong, he's coming to town. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years, and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go do that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.